Hi, welcome back to Happy Babby. So in this video, we are going to convert a small box into this toy with a baby's face that my babby can use as a posting activity. So what is posting? Posting is very simple. It is inserting things into containers, and activities related to postings can help baby develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination skills. It's easy to make posting toys from things or tools you can find at home, such as inserting business cards into an empty oatmeal container. I made a video of Babby playing with this, so please watch it as well. You can find a link in the description below. Now let's get started.